What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? We are going to do a little comparison. I know this is not a versus, and by no means is this a versus video. All we're gonna do, we're gonna see the Bauer make 3 cuts, and we have my Stihl 026 with an 18-inch bar, I believe. And then we have the MS 361 with a 20. Okay, not apples to apples at all. We're just doing a comparison. This is not a versus video. We just want to see how this stacks up when making a cut into, say, a 6-inch or 8-inch log versus the other 2 saws. Okay, we're going to do 3 cuts a piece. We'll start with the Bauer and we'll move our way up to the bigger saws. So let me get you set up, and that's what we'll do. All right, here we go. Mr. Bauer first. No, it's not a whole lot. Uh-oh. Let's just do 2 with Bauer, because I think I was pushing. We'll go 3. I think I was pushing a little hard. And that was a fully charged 5-amp-hour battery. Just got it off the charger about 10 minutes ago. Next up, I'll do the 026. These are not brand new chains. They've got time on them. This is the 361. Maybe. That 361 is a monster. A monster. Yeah, the log did get a little bit smaller, maybe not, but you know, the Bauer was cutting just partial. So, and for what it is, the Bauer's great. We used it for a few hours yesterday evening, trimming all this crap out of the fence line, and did great, did great. Lightweight, any work overhead is very easily done. For what it is, it's great. Wife loves it. And we even used it for an hour or two with a 3-amp-hour battery in it, and it did fine. Did fine. We've just now used most of a tank of Bauer wool through it, so chain still feels sharp. So it was not at a disadvantage at all. And like I said, this is not a versus, this is just a comparison. So, and the chain has not worked itself loose any at all, so it's good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Like and sub. Catch you on the next one.